Welcome, gang.
Today we're going to be opening the newest set, Stellar Crown.
So if you guys watched our last video, we had some pretty crazy pulls with that Charizard on the second pack. Hopefully today we can get some of those full art Squirtles or Bulbasaurs. I understand there's better cards in the set that people want more, but those kind of hold a special place in my heart. So without further ado, let's open this entire box.
How many does this come in?
36 packs.
Wow, okay.
So this is going to be
I'm gonna blow through these.
A lot of pack opening. Gotta set it up like we're in a store and we're going to sell it though.
Oh, nice.
And this way we can just grab and
take left, right?
I'll take right side.
Okay.
Take the right side. And I'm going to start my first pack. Can we get first pack magic and beat our last video with getting that Charizard on the second pack?
Is this a one card pull again?
I think it is.
Okay.
We'll figure it out though. Alright, here we go. Move this one to the front. We might mess this up. Like, we're new, okay? Work with us.
It's a learning
Be
experience.
gentle. It's more so about having fun, okay? It's not about always doing a card trick, and I love Real. That card just...
There you go again, Lechonk.
I know. Hold on, we got a reverse, and our first card out of the set is going to be
Melmetal.
Melmetal. Alright.
Alright.
Maybe I'll get that second pack.
My turn. Let me pull some good ones today. Okay.
Water.
Really?
Like the buzz. I'm telling you, the
Here we go
OG
again.
ones. The OGs just
Fire.
make me happy. Electrified.
Shuffle. Oh,
Okay.
that one's pretty.
Out for me.
Reboot.
Alright, a Galvantula
Ooh,
EX. Not
nice.
too bad.
Oh.
Alright, let's see. So if we get some good luck in this booster box, then I will disclose where we got it. So one card at the front. I'm just kidding, guys. We got this one off of Rare Candy. So we kind of ended up buying a bunch of different packs from all different sources, kind of see what's out there. We got some from eBay, we got some from Rare Candy, Target, Best Buy. Like, we're just kind of seeing where's the best place to go. So can't always go to the same vendor. Sometimes you got to change it up.
Mm-hmm.
And I
Ooh. Meryl.
you and the Electabuzz.
Ooh,
Hopefully we get at least one pull out of this whole box.
Come on, Griffin.
Okay.
Squirtle.
Hey, same
Another
card.
Paracosta.
I think we're living in a Mirrorverse, guys.
Yeah.
Gonna have to go back to those Pallian Fates. Can we get... I just want the Squirtle. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I would open up this whole box just to get that Squirtle because it would bring my heart joy.
Mm-hmm.
And Berry makes me hungry. And a
Cling clang. Cling clang.
Sound my knees make when I walk. What do you think your favorite card in the set is?
Eevee.
I like Eevee. Riolu?
I like that Squirtle one.
It is cool.
Explain.
I like the Gulpin who's eating a cake.
Oh yeah.
And there's your berry. Alright.
Again.
Don't do us like this Stellar Crown.
We still got a lot to go.
We do. We do. So you know what? I'm still having a good time. So it doesn't even matter. We're here opening Pokemon packs. And just having
our
fun.
childhood.
We really are. Slow King. Fletchling.
Oh.
Jirachi. Okay, I like that. That's cool. And a
Raging Bolt.
I like the Jirachi. I'm gonna set that aside as a hit because it's cool.
Ready? You should cut the other one.
Oh, yeah, I got you. That way we can burn through these.
Yeah. Swallow. Mewtwo. Fido. Dreadnought. And another Raving Bolt.
That pack kind of ripped open. We'll see. I don't know if there's going to be anything in here, but hey, why not? EVs. And we got...
Archiludon. They are
I know.
really... I'm done in every pack.
He just wants to be pulled, okay? It's not his fault.
Joltik. Oh, these are new. Okay.
Okay.
Gryffindor.
And
Both the wands.
that's it.
That was it.
Alright.
Still have hope.
I do too. Clank. Already got the Clank. Mirachi. Riolu Reverse. I'm gonna say that's a pull because it's cool. Alright, Kofu. I think that's our first pull. Sometimes these new sets, you know.
Come on. Mention. Melmetal.
Oh, Dashper.
Oh,
That's
good
kinda
one.
cool. I like that. Got a sleeve for it. Alright. Blue card.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go from the back this time.
Ooh. Hard because they got the reverse, so I'm always like, is there a card there? Because I see a little shiny. Noctowl. And Ladian. Alright. I'll go from the middle. Eevee. Leafy.
Rapidash.
What is it gonna be? Meryl and
Grimmsnarl.
I definitely think I like opening the older sets more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slide this back a little bit.
Another Archiludon.
That card just wants to be pulled, I'm telling you. Alright. See what we can get with this set here. Basic energy. I'm gonna have to just keep shopping at Target or something. Rachi, Cubone. I like Cubone. Lady in full art. I'll take it. And then Iron. I like the Lady, and that's kind of cool.
Little Rhyhorn, Tornado. Oh, these are all older ones.
Lapras. Need to get the Hollow Lapras.
Electra.
Oh, there you go.
Ooh, that's
Milcery.
Milcery.
Milcery? And Ladian? That's my lady.
Like
Was better.
Milcery. Cute.
Alright. See, we just had to get to the back of the packs. Like, it was backloaded, you know? You gotta... Sometimes you gotta wade through some of the not your favorites to get to the good stuff. Gravity Gem and... Zero Aura. That's the second one I pulled. Alright.
Oh,
Oh, kind of cool.
Long, Raiden, or Melton,
Oh, okay. Galvantra.
Galvantula.
EX. I don't know if that is the...
Is this the front one?
No, it's not. The other one that comes in is
Kinda
like
sideways?
facing forward.
Oh, I
yeah.
see.
Those are so cool.
So cool.
You got sleeves for them?
Yeah.
Alright. So I got some over here if you need some. Let's see. I think you're beating me in the polls this time.
I think so.
Sometimes we can't be lucky all the time. That's perfectly okay because I'm lucky in life. And we got Wrigley. Alright.
How many we got left?
We got quite a few. Like 14 more packs still to go through.
15. They decided Spiricosta. Ooh, knockout.
That one, cool.
Nice.
Alright. Alright, let's see. What are we gonna get? Rapidash.
Alchemy. Pause.
Alright, we're gonna take a pause.
20 minutes later.
Ready?
Alright, your turn.
My turn?
Yep. Alright. Surely there's a Squirtle or a Bulbasaur in here somewhere. Waiting to be pulled.
I have a good feeling.
Uh-oh. Can it happen? Okay. Card here. Let's see, what can we get off of one of these packs? 36 packs. We'll see what we can get. Alright.
Ooh, nice.
Hydrapple. Not too bad. You know, take it.
Almost there. Choo-choo.
What set do you think we should open up next? 151. Should we do that's kinda cool. Clink clank.
I like the 151.
Yeah?
I like that one.
I think we could do that. We could do some 151. That really brings me back.
Mm-hmm.
We have all the OG pulls in there. Alright. Let's see if we can get Fletchling, Lacey, Marowak, a Deluxe Bomb. That looks cool.
Yeah.
Lacey and a Metal. Deluxe Bomb. I like that one.
That one's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Hoot hoot. Again with the clamp.
Hey, there you go.
Ooh, what's one?
Fourth worm.
Nice.
I like that one. Here you go.
Thank you.
It's like Fourth Worm Gym. You know. If you remember that game, Earthworm Jim. It'll tell you a thing or two. I'll mess that one up. Fire Energy. I still remember trying to get like with Pokemon, like Pokemon Snap, and trying to get the perfect pictures and always going back and going through it. Slow King. Mass. Clink Clank again. He's just clanking around here. And Noctowl. Alright. We're down to our last 6 packs here.
Yeah. Ping-chan. Atlan. Pangoro. Dreadnought.
Code card. Maybe we should do the code cards. Or is that a lot? Someone comment down there. Let us know. Are the code cards like worth it? What exactly do they do? Should I get into it? Glass Trumpet. Lacey. Drifloon. Grinsnarl. And Rhyperior. That's kind of cool. I haven't seen that one yet.
Okay, last 4.
Oh man, what will it be?
Lynx. Ruby. Just blazing through these.
I know. Mewtwo.
Mewtwo.
Cool.
Salazzle.
Oh, there you go. Lucario EX.
Nice.
That was cool.
That was awesome. He's like punching through it.
I love Lucario too. Alright. I feel like we need to get a cleaner space here. We got a lot going on, guys. Like when you open up this many packs, like it just starts filling up the area.
Yep.
So psychic energy. We're down to our last 2 packs. Rhyhorn, Score Bunny, and a Blastoise EX. Alright.
Nice.
There we go. We got one of the originals. Oh geez. Alright, last pack magic. Can we do it? You want me to go first or you go first?
You can go first.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright. This is going to be my last pack magic, but I feel like we're kind of cheating the system here a little bit when we have 2 last pack magics. As you saw in the last video, our last pack magic was not that great. But that's okay. Alright, let's see. Can we get a Squirtle?
Come on.
Lapras? I don't think we did. Nope, and Treadnought.
Last one.
Last pack.
Last one. Ooh, okay.
Pressure's on.
I know.
Gotta slide the cards perfectly.
Cool.
Hulu. Boulder. Oh, okay. That's one of the top
Nice.
pulls in the set.
Area 0 under depth and another Melmetal.
Melmetal. Alright, not too bad. We got the Area 0. Got the Blastoise, Deluxe Bomb, Lady in Full Art. We got Kofu. What else we get over there, huh?
Fourth worm.
Fourth Worm.
Ooh, this one. Galvantula.
Galvantula. EX. Oh, we got 2 of the Galvantula EXs. And I put a sleeve on that one. I just set it down. Alright, we got a lot of them. Oh yeah. And alright, not too bad. That was fun. Don't forget our Lucario.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, so join us next time, and we're going to be opening up some booster bundles of Pokemon 151, the English version. And hopefully we can kind of pull some of those full art. Charizard, Blastoise, Venusaurs, you name it. We're going for the OGs. So, thank you.
Stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.